Vast expanse of space, aboard the Lorith salvage cruiser Seeker of Truths, Captain Vixel paces the command deck, his attention fixed on the holographic display showing the remnants of an ancient ship. Despite its primitive design, there are anomalies within the wreckage that defy explanation. Vixel, driven by the thrill of the unknown, orders his crew to scan the relic at higher resolutions, believing it holds more secrets than initially apparent. As the first boarding party explores the wreckage, they encounter the jarring dissonance between the ancient energy field of the ship and their advanced technology. Days pass with no significant discoveries until Captain L's voice crackles over the comms with news that shocks Vixel. Within the ship's command center lies a schematic for a hyperdrive, unlike anything known to current civilizations. The schematic reveals technology generations beyond their own, with theoretical energy yields and capabilities that defy comprehension. Vixel is astonished by the advanced design, including weapon systems and power generation methods far beyond their understanding. This discovery not only challenges their understanding of the universe, but also suggests that the civilization which created it was incredibly advanced, even by contemporary standards. Captain Vixel's excitement was tempered by a flicker of unease as he demanded a data core from the wreckage, realizing the significance of the discovery. The advanced technology hinted at a civilization rivaling the Lorith's own achievements, perhaps even the long-vanished humans, once considered technologically inferior. Despite the data core's seemingly worthless condition, Vixel saw it as a treasure trove, secluding himself to analyze its fragmented data. As he pieced together star charts, log entries, and AI subroutines, Vixel marveled at the humans' achievements, realizing they had pushed boundaries beyond the Lorith's reach. However, beneath his professional admiration lurked envy, as the discovery threatened the Lorith's perceived dominance. Nevertheless, Vixel saw it as an opportunity for advancement, despite facing skepticism and condescension from the High Council scholars. Despite his attempts to demonstrate the significance of the relic, Vixel was met with dismissal and academic arrogance. Frustrated and exhausted, he delved deeper into the data core, isolating a code fragment from the ship's logs in a desperate attempt to prove the importance of the discovery. With the ancient ship's navigation systems brought back online by Vixel's command, the Seeker embarked on an FTL jump to the coordinates retrieved from its memory banks. The journey through hyperspace was disorienting yet strangely familiar, leading them to a star system dominated by a colossal ring world, sparking awe and speculation among the crew about its origins. As they cautiously approached the ring world, scans revealed no signs of current activity, only the echoes of a once grand civilization lost to time. However, their exploration took a tense turn when they detected a weak artificial signal emanating from the surface. Vixel, recognizing the gravity of their intrusion, led a landing team to investigate, braving the turbulent atmosphere and scorched landscape. Deep within a colossal wreck on the surface, they discovered a flickering datapad displaying symbols and an image of formidable warships, indicating the scale of past conflicts. Despite the ominous warning from an alien creature encountered on site, Vixel refused to yield, asserting the Lorith's right to explore and honor the legacy of the ancient civilization. Faced with the aggression of the alien creature, Vixel activated a last resort protocol to disable their vessel, risking confrontation to defend the memory of humanity's achievements. In the face of uncertainty and danger, Vixel remained resolute, unwilling to let the legacy of the past be erased by those who sought to dominate through strength alone. With trembling hands, Vixel bypassed safety protocols and initiated a risky internal detonation sequence on the Seeker's helm interface, gambling on overwhelming the enemy's shields and escaping their grasp. The resulting explosion devastated the predatory SC fleet, leaving the Seeker damaged but alive in the aftermath. As the ship limped away from the ruined system, Vixel and LX faced the grim reality of their situation, with the Seeker severely damaged but still functional. Victory tasted bitter, overshadowed by the price paid for their escape. Vixel couldn't shake the haunting images of humanity's legacy and the consequences of their actions. Despite expecting reprimand from the High Council, Vixel was met with unexpected reverence and understanding. Instead of punishment, he was appointed head of a new institute dedicated to deciphering and honoring the legacy of the forgotten humans. This marked a shift in Lorith perspective, from seeking to surpass to humbly preserving the knowledge of past civilizations. Vixel found himself embracing this new role, becoming a bridge between Lorith and human cultures. The work ahead was monumental, but Vixel now understood that humanity's ambition was not recklessness but a beacon of knowledge and exploration, worthy of preservation and study. As some members of the Council had suspected, humans were characterized by their relentless curiosity and a drive to pioneer new frontiers. Unlike the Lorith, who revered ancient civilizations, humans were determined to innovate and build upon their own technological legacy. Vixel found himself leading projects that pushed the boundaries of Lorith understanding, attempting to replicate human warp drives, decipher philosophical texts, and unravel the complexities of ancient AI protocols. Over the years, the Institute flourished, attracting the finest minds of the Lorith. Despite challenges and setbacks, each breakthrough served as a testament to both the ingenuity of the human predecessors and the determination of their Lorith successors. Vixel, now aging and burdened by the weight of two extinct civilizations, reflected on the shared kinship between humans and their predecessors, wondering if they too had felt the weight of uncovering forgotten worlds. A pivotal moment arrived when a younger colleague excitedly presented a breakthrough, a coded message containing coordinates, system specifications, and fragments of what seemed to be a welcoming note projected into the stars by the humans. Vixel gazed at the image of Earth, the cradle of human civilization, and with a trembling hand, keyed in the coordinates into the Institute's transmitter. Their response would not be one of conquest, but of remembrance, a quiet acknowledgement of a legacy too magnificent to fade into oblivion.